Hey, welcome back to a new video. How you're doing? Hope you're all well. This morning we hadn't actually done much. We've just done the normal stuff of like editing videos, uploading and stuff like that. But right now we're going to head out to Screwfix because we've ordered a load of stuff for the new van, like under seal, red oxide primer and stuff like that. So as soon as the new van comes back, we can get all the underside like done on the new van, which is kind of the most important thing. Because obviously, like we were saying, we want the outside to be solid before we start on the inside.
We haven't heard anything from the Iveco yet.
No.
It's still in the garage. They did say it'll be a couple of days, and it is like a 4-day work. So we was hoping to hear back from it today, but so far we haven't.
No.
I think they're open at the weekend, but hopefully we don't have to wait till Monday to get it back.
Yeah, because obviously if this van sells tomorrow, which someone's coming to look at it, so we've got to empty all the stuff out later as well. But if this van sells tomorrow and we haven't got the new van back, then we're going to be stranded without a vehicle until obviously the new one comes back. So hopefully it all falls into place and we sell this van, get the new van back just before this one goes, and it all works out. But right now we need to head off to Screwfix and go and get some supplies. Rocky thinks it's acceptable just to sit here licking Tabitha's leg.
I'm going to have a wet leg. I've got to go into Screwfix in a minute. They're going to think I wet myself or something. What's he doing? This dog is weird.
He is weird indeed, isn't you, mate? Anyway, let's head off. We're now at Screwfix, just waiting for Tabitha to come back, and then we can shoot off to tool station. Rocky hates it when any of us leave the van. He's just sat there waiting for us. Isn't you, boy? You don't like it, mate? You don't like it, bud? Yeah, she is. Rocky, who's this? Who's this, Rocky? Who's this? He's excited you're back anyway.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's like Christmas all over again.
Got everything?
Yes, everything. I think that's it now. I think we literally knew we've got everything ordered for the rust stuff for the van.
Yeah,
So-
no, we need to go to tool station.
Oh yeah, we do. We need to go to the tool station and get, what was it we get?
Rust converter.
Rust converter, that's
The most important part of the whole thing.
And then we just need the van back.
Yeah, hopefully that'll be soon.
Yes, hopefully. We just drove past the garage to see what they were doing.
Yeah, and the front end is still off, so.
Yeah, maybe it's not looking hopeful for today.
But we'll have to wait and see.
3 o'clock.
Yeah, let's shoot off to tool station. Alright, so we got back from tool station. These are the things we've got. We've got some brushes to obviously paint the paint on, and the red oxide and de-ruster and all that sort of stuff. Some wire brushes to clean it all. Safety equipment, because last time we did this van build, we didn't actually have much safety equipment at all, basically. So, got some of that crap. Then we got rust converter. Who wants to focus? Ooh, you want to focus? Yeah, so this stuff was like £7.50 I think for 250ml. So we got 2 of them, because we got to do some of the inside as well. And then we got no nonsense red oxide metal primer. Hopefully this will be enough, but again we can always just drive back and get some more. And then we got some Hammerite white metal paint for the inside of the van and the engine bay. We're just waiting on the under seal to come. I think that's coming Monday, so we just got to wait for that. And then we've got everything we need to start on the underneath of the van and the inside of it as well. Alright, so I haven't really done much for the last few hours since getting back from tool station. We took Rocky for a walk and like actually had him off the lead, running about chasing balls and stuff, and he's excellent at chasing it, and he brings it straight back as well. But the guy that's supposed to be coming tomorrow to come and look at the van and hopefully buy it, he hasn't messaged me back for 2 days, so he doesn't have our full address, he only has a postcode. So I don't really know what to do. Like, part of me's like we should empty some of the van, not all of it. Tabitha's kind of the same. Tabitha wants to get it emptied.
Yeah, because I don't want to like rush tomorrow. If he said he's coming, and then we've got an hour literally to get everything out of the van. We've been living in it for like 6 months, 4 or 5 months.
I don't know. Yeah.
For a while now, so we've got a lot of stuff in here.
Hmm.
Yeah, so we're in 2 minds.
Yeah, I'm kind of a bit like fuck the guy in some ways. Like, if he's not going to reply and after like a couple of days, then if he has to wait while we take the stuff out, then he has to wait. But then I'm kind of like, we should probably take some of it out. So I think we might take a few bits out, just a bits that we don't actually need in the van because we're on the farm anyway. That obviously won't affect us, because I don't want to take everything out and then him not come, and then we have to put it all back in again. That's what I don't want to do. So yeah, so I think we'll just take a few bits out and then leave a few bits in till tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm going to stop talking to the camera because it's freezing cold and I've got the door open. And I'm going to get a butt moving and actually start emptying some of the van. Alright, so we've got that box and we're going to use that to carry all the things in the van and plonk them down here. and hopefully it's not all a waste of effort. Well, it's actually surprising to be fair how little really we do have in the van. So let me show you what we've actually done so far. So we've got that big box there, which is obviously full, but that's just from that like storage thing behind Tabitha. Like just from that, there's a couple of little bits in there like camera charge, battery chargers and stuff like that. But obviously that needs to stay in there just because you don't sell the van. It's basically from these 4 cupboards, and then what's in there now is just like the essentials like pots and pans basically. And we've emptied one of them like drawer things, cupboard things under there. But that's it. So literally that's, and all the fronts sorted as well. Yes. So all that is probably what, a third? Yeah. Do you reckon a third?
Yeah, so we can definitely fit it in the new van.
Oh,
and have space. More
than enough space. I think we'll be amazed. But let's get this inside, and that's one job done today, and less to do tomorrow if the guy turns up. Right, so back in the van now. We've just been chilling out, had dinner and stuff, but I think we're going to call it a day really. We've done everything we wanted to get done today, and there's nothing else really to do. We're just chilling out. I think we're going to watch a movie, and hopefully, fingers crossed, this guy turns up tomorrow and actually buys the van. We're just going to have to wait and see, but at least like some of the van's emptied out and we ain't got that much to do if he messages saying like he's coming and stuff. But for now, that's it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.